So many welding challenges, so little time. Tristan BT wants to know, dude, I have followed your pages in welding for many years, but none of us has ever seen you stack dimes on some aluminium. Can you even weld, bro? Well, Pat Industries sent me these Pyrex cups a while back, and I've been wanting to give them a shot, so let's see if I can still stack some dimes, I guess. Now Tristan, I'm personally more interested in dollars than dimes, but hopefully these welds are up to your standards.